We are aboard our Selva 600. We are going to explain how this boat works. First of all, we have to make sure that the red cordon, the man overboard, is on, and the key. First of all, we have to turn on the key once, like this. And we have to wait about 5 seconds. And then we can start. We have to make sure that the engine is down, also with the trim down and up. To sail, we have to move the lever forward and reverse. Always very slowly and smoothly when you put neutral. To switch off, we have to turn the key to the other side, just like this. Here in the cockpit, we have the Bluetooth music system, the lights, the bilge pump. The pump of the shower is here. The shower is here. And the klaxon. The GPS. We have to follow the GPS, like our eyes, very strictly. To zoom in or out, we have to use the plus and minus button. We have the red areas. Never go inside a red area like this. Always keep outside from these areas, and also outside of the red lines. Never cross our red lines. Because if you cross a red line or go inside a red area, we have to remove the deposit. It's very important to keep out. The most dangerous place in the West Coast in San Antonio area is the Calicanta Passage. We have to go to the other side, always between the two big islands, Isla de Conejera and Isla del Bosque. Always between the big two islands. Never go through the small passage next to Calicanta. Even if you see boats crossing, don't follow them. As you can see, there is a red line. So never cross the red line. Always go here and cross next to the green line. Also, we have the boundaries of the limits here. This is East Vedra limit. This is the limit of the south area. And in the north, we can see the north boundary. Portonats is the other limit here. When you want to come back to the boat, to our position, just push stop button. To anchor, we have to make sure that the bottom is sand. White color, never black color. Never rocks, never plants, because they are protected. And we have to always make sure that it's 5-6 meters depth. And to anchor, we have to open here. We have the anchor here. We throw it, and we have to leave, more or less double of the depth that we have. Or the chain laying on the bottom like 2 meters.